Hello everyone. So I have a bunch of stuff on my Etsy and it's time to show you. So first things first, I'll go with this one bundle that is in a purse. I made this purse handmade or made from, I don't know, old fabrics that I had and old pair of jeans. So it has pockets in the jeans part, you know, the back pockets from the jeans, and then I have an inside pocket that I made. There is no closure for it, but it fits this journal bundle completely, so, or set. And then I have this cute little folio. I made it a long time ago. I honestly could not tell you how long ago it was when I first started journaling, and I'm like, yeah, it's time to stick this in and show you all the different pieces and parts and little pockets. And everything. It's just a cute little piece made out of an old brochure. Then I have this ephemera folder here that's cute, filled with little tiny pieces of ephemera. There are some playing cards in it. There are some random cutout pieces from the pieces that I used in this ephemera, and more tags and journaling cards and stuff to stick in to the journal itself. I thought this would work perfectly. I think I've honestly had this bundle put together for a while now, just never did anything with it, so now I have. Now this is the journal. It is one of my envelope covers, so it does go around. It goes around the journal instead of the normal way, but we've got journaling card here that I've tucked inside this piece here, and then I think there's a cute little journaling card in that. Again, this was, I want to say, a part of my, or not mine, Shabby Dabby Doo-Dah's free kit. It's neutrals. I love it. So again, I just wanted to show you all the different pieces and stuff. I've got pieces everywhere in this. I have wallpaper. I have one of these cute little things that I made, where it's pocket there, and then you open it up and there's stuff inside it too. And I used some of Antique Papery, but now Lemon Studios pieces to make these. Again, I just had a general play with neutrals and different things. I think this is a postcard, if I'm correct. Yeah, this is a postcard that I have that's pre-stamped too. It works. Here's one of them journaling cards that just open up, or tags that just open up. And then I have this lovely piece that's just packaging scraps. Then this lovely piece that opens up and you can stick stuff in it. So, I mean, I really went out there with adding different pieces to it, packaging, painted pieces, pieces that were dyed, pieces that were just neutral in general or had a specific theme to them. I was just having fun. I think this was a use it or lose it journal with all the different pieces, but I thought the gold or yellows went good with the neutral colors a little bit here. I mean, this is just scraps pieces that I thought were pretty big on its own, and thought this would make a cute little page, and you can just rip it off and use it how you want to. This is one of the button journaling cards that we made together. I mean, again, I just had a lot of fun with these. I didn't necessarily make it a particular theme. So I've been calling this journal my neutral journal because I'm just adding tons of things that are neutrals. Like this, for example, is just a little banner. You could write on back of it. I just thought it looked cute in it. One of these where this is a tag, then there's two small tags in this, and then there's a cute little piece inside there. This one's a bag that I have a pocket within the bag. Pretty sure it's a pocket within the bag. Feels like it's stuck. There we go. With cute little journaling card on it. And then there's a journaling card inside it that I had made. And then there's another piece inside that, and this is a matchbook. So it opens up and you can write inside it. So lots and lots of journaling space. Even on pages you wouldn't think there'd be journaling space. More papers. And then this is the last page, and I glued this on here and this on here. I am not sure when I made this, and I forgot to sign it. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. So then this is our last page, and I wanted to let this show through, and this was an August one that we had finished in August. So, I mean, again, just lots of stuff. And this bundle, I figured why not sell my little purse that I made a long time ago to within the bundle. So then it's a great place to, again, stick this bundle and fits perfectly inside and even has space for other things, which I love about these purses. So there we go. We got that purse bundle done. Now, this one you've seen me do the case of it. We did this together. Now, let's look at the inside. We did do bits and pieces together of it, though. This is just some random ephemera inside that's brand new that I got from several different kits. I have Rick Rack, which I stuck right inside here. So we wouldn't be, so it wouldn't just have no place to go. It keeps on getting stuck on one piece. There we go. And it can stick right inside it. And then I have this fuzzy. I have my ripped sheet. And I have some lace here. We have also 5 journals. Traveling notebooks. Whichever you choose. And they'd fit perfectly inside a traveling notebook. I think, I want to say they're 8 by 4. Let me just double check. Well, around 4 by 8. So yeah, they're 8 by 4. So they'll work perfectly as traveling notebooks. And they're all within that like love theme. So maybe if you're shopping ahead for Valentine's or a wedding, this would work great. Then I have this cute little, well, little tiny mini writing space here. This is a little fold out one with writing space. And I used one of our painted decorated pieces here. This one, again, it's a little fold out. They're all fold out pieces that I thought would look cute. You could add them to the journals. You could keep them separate as something else, whichever. I have this little glitter glue that's silver. I have this cute pin, but also it's a stylus. So it's not only a pen, it's a stylus. You may have to change the ink in it, I'll admit it. Then I have this silver Altoids container my kids painted, filled with decorated buttons, which I thought was a really cute idea and place to stick these buttons. And they all kind of sort of go with the theme. So I kind of wanted to keep them with the theme. So that's what we have in this lovely kit. And again, I had a lot of fun making this, but now it's time to let it go. So this is Our Love Dreams decorated box journal kit. Now, this is the Christmas journal set that I just got done finishing about a week or two ago. And this is what I've done. So far, I've left this kind of freestyle in the front here because of the factor whomever gets it may decide that it's January when they use it. Then they're not like feeling like they have to have it on there. There, a cute little notepad here. Then you flip this side open and there's some scrap paper there. Then there's some scrap pieces of paper right here and a piece of paper right here to write on. Now this one I did leave this side blank, but you may decide you don't want it blank. You can add stuff. I just used what I had on hand and wanted to keep it that way. So there we go. That cute little folio. Now we have these cute little mini journals where they have pockets in the front and the back, but then just packaging paper, a few pages of packaging paper, and a middle piece. And it is Velcro, so it will stay. And I also made it so then you could add stuff to it as you wanted to. And I made 2 of these. I did try to keep them rather on the plainer side. I did paper clip this piece on instead of sticking it into the thing. That was my prerogative per se, but again, lots of space to add things. Now we're getting to the journal. I really had a lot of fun with this journal. I've been working on it for a while, so we've got that. And then this is our tag. And then I have these 2 tags that were a part of other Christmas stuff. And I thought, ooh, these would look cute with it. So that's what I added. Now we have this tag that actually has a pocket within it, so another tag, so you could write inside this tag And then, it doesn't want to stick in there. All right. And then you could write in the back of this one. And then you flip this over and this comes out and you can write inside there. Again, I love doing that, little tiny things where you can just open it up and write in it. And then we have our pages. This was actually a gift bag that I was able to get. Then we have this pocket here, which is a full page pocket is what I call it. But I put tags inside there that are pretty empty. And then another tag, big tag, right here. So lots of writing. Again. Then we have this one, and this one comes out, and we have 2 small tags within it to add some tags to it. But other than that, you could write on it too, which I thought was a good idea. And there's still lots of space to write on this part, which I thought, ooh, knowing me, if it was my journal, I love it when there's a pocket and there's writing space up above and within the pocket itself and the tag and everything. Oh, that's my favorite type of journal. So we have this cute little piece here, and it has a bunch of papers that are lined within it. And then I stuck it in this tuck spot. Then we have our lovely CD envelope with a cute little background that can be written on if you pull it out. But I'm not going to do that right now. And then you can write on that. The page too. Again, I love doing that with my pages. I have lots and lots of writing space within this journal. Here's 2 more tags here. And again, this one just flips on open. And again, there are pockets within it. You could add stuff. You could decide not to. That is your choice. Alright, now we have this piece, which I really liked. This little journaling card. Then this tag. And then I have another big tag that's kind of plain for the background for this one.